to do for our discussion, we have with us today Dr. Krishnadu from Allopathy, Dr. Madhavi Reddy from Homeopathy, Dr. Abhi Philip from Ayurveda, and our most revered Maharshi Ji from Holistic Medicine and Yoga. Before we start our discussion, please relax for 2-3 minutes by listening to this devotional song.
भगवान का मंदिर है, भगवान का घर है, भगवान का मंदिर है, भगवान का घर है, ईश्वर का वरदान है, इंसान का धन है, ईश्वर का वरदान है, इंसान का धन है, भगवान का मंदिर है, भगवान का घर है, भगवान का मंदिर है, भगवान का घर है। अपना लो प्राणायाम जप योग ध्यान, प्राणायाम जप योग ध्यान, जी लो 100 साल जी लो, जी लो 100 साल जी लो, पाकर खुशियों की खजाना, कर लो सेवा ईश्वर की, सेवा ईश्वर की, समाज के शुभ काम, भगवान का मंदिर है, भगवान का घर है, भगवान का मंदिर है, भगवान का घर है।
ఇప్పుడు మనం విన్న భక్తి గీతము భగవాన్ కా మందిర్ హై యే అంటే మన శరీరమే దేవుడు మందిరము. అందుకే మనము మన శరీరముని ఆరోగ్యముగా ఉంచుకోవలను. What do we understand by arthritis?
Arthritis is a severe pain in the joints caused by cause is not known, unknown cause.
What are its different varieties and types of arthritis?
Tuberculous arthritis, pyemic arthritis, and gouty arthritis. Gouty arthritis is only big toe will be effective. In tuberculous arthritis, any one of the joints, knee joints or elbow joints will be effective. In septic arthritis, all the joints, any one of the joints, the elbow, knee or ankle joints may be effective.
Is there any other type of arthritis also, such as the joint inflammation of the small joints.
In osteoarthritis, the small joints will be effective in the leg, fingertips and toes and all. In osteoarthritis, there is no cause, but it is automatically due to the aging, it will occur.
So from our discussion here, we understand that age is the factor which leads to arthritis, and therefore it is occurring only with the elderly people. Now that we know what arthritis is, what are the various tests that have to be undergone to confirm arthritis?
Test only removing the synovial fluid from the joints and do the test. According to the organisms, pyemic organism. Pyemic, there is staphylococcus, streptococcus. In tuberculosis bacilli will be found, synovial fluid. In syphilitic arthritis, the organisms are found by the synovial fluid.
Why is it we find arthritis mostly in elderly people? Why is it that only elderly people are affected by it? So what are the causes for arthritis?
Now, all these joint problems, they are basically old age problems, whether it is that of the big joint or that of the small joint. The degeneration of the joints takes place, the synovial fluid dries up, the ligaments and the tendons, they get atrophied or they become hypertrophied. Both these conditions of atrophy and hypertrophy lead to pain in the joints. The drying up of the synovial fluid also leads to pain, because the two bones, as they move, they will start rubbing against each other, and the nerves also will come under strain.
We will now meet after a short commercial break.
Now, why this happens? One of the fundamental cause for these is the ingestion of junk food. Samosas, kachoris, mirchi bhajis, etc. All these contain unhealthy oil. Unhealthy oil means which contains trans fatty acids. These trans fatty acids are extremely harmful for the joints. Therefore, taking of these fried things is not at all good. These should be avoided altogether.
Now I would ask Dr. Madhavi Reddy to kindly throw some light on arthritis and also tell us about the treatment that is possible under homeopathy.
Arthritis is basically the inflammation of the joints. It is in two ways, like it can be acute and it can be chronic also. In acute cases, it is the joint gets inflamed, swollen and very tender to touch, and in chronic cases it is due to mainly old age and obesity.
Can you tell us a few medicines in homeopathy that will help us in this problem?
Medicines in homeopathy are Rustox, Bryonia, and basing upon the signs and symptoms we have other medicines also.
I would like to ask Dr. Abhi Philip to kindly throw some light on arthritis as it is in Ayurveda.
According to Ayurvedic point of view, this arthritis comes under Vata Vyadhi. So we can divide this arthritis mainly into two. First one is Vadaraktam, second one is Sandhigata Vada. These are the two main groups of arthritis according to Ayurvedic point of view.
What is the treatment method under Ayurveda for arthritis?
When we consider this treatment aspect, we can divide the treatment into two. Means first one is medicinal treatment. Means with that internal medicines we can treat. Second one is with certain therapeutic procedures. So we can divide this treatment into two. One is internal medicine. Second one is that therapeutic procedures. When we consider these internal medicines, a large group of medicines are there.
What are the various medicines or few common medicines that can be adopted?
Arjit Cap of Capro Labs, Artho type of Vaidyanath, and Bone Tone capsule of Vasu Pharmacy, and Rumalia, capsule of Himalaya Pharmacy, like that. Wide range of medicines are there. These all things we can use according to the condition of the patient.
We commonly hear about different types of massages that help us in arthritis. What are these massages and what is the kind of treatment with them?
And when we consider these therapeutic procedures, actually therapeutic procedures has a major role in the treatment of arthritic conditions. Actually that will work very well in this type of conditions. So mainly we are using that Panchakarma treatments plus some certain divisions of Svedana therapy. Svedana therapy, we are using different types of therapeutic massages like Ilakiri, that Podikiri, and then Navarakiri, and oil bath, Pirichil, a type of another Svedana therapy, and different types of Dharas and Vasti treatment. These all things we can use in this, and that Panchakarma therapy also. Panchakarma therapy also work in this, especially rheumatoid arthritis like conditions. We can use different types of Panchakarma therapies.
Maharshi ji, what is the treatment that you follow under holistic medicine?
In the holistic system of treatment, the most important treatment is the Shankh Prakshalan Kriya. Shankh Prakshalan Kriya is basically a cleansing process of all the toxins from the body. What it consists of? It consists of taking 2 glasses of saline water and doing 6 asanas, which are known as Laghu Shankh Prakshalan asanas. These 6 asanas, when you do, this saline fluid, this saline water will pass through your intestines. You take another 2 glasses of this saline water and again do the 6 asanas. Like this, when a patient who takes 6 to 8 glasses of saline water, he will start getting loose motion. Now again, after passing one motion, as you again go for taking 2 more glasses of saline water and 6 asanas, you will get another motion. This process is continued and till you start getting clear water in your motion. When this happens, that means all the toxins from your intestines are cleared. This total process takes about 2 hours to 2.5 hours. After this, the patient is supposed to lie down in a restful condition without taking anything, not even a drop of water. As the patient is taking rest, now the body further cleanses the toxins. He will find that a lot of urine will be passing. For at least 4 hours, the patient should keep on taking rest completely in a lying down condition. Frequently he will be getting up to pass the urine. After this lapse of about 4 hours, now the patient can take some little khichdi, small quantity of khichdi, 1 katori, and that's the food for this day, for the first day. Nothing else is to be taken. Second day, the patient should take fruit juices.
What are these herbal medicines which are useful for arthritis?
Now, coming to the herbal medicines that are suitable for treating this problem of arthritis. Google is a gum that oozes out of the stem of the tree. It is a particular type of gum. This has been found to be quite useful for inflammation of the joints and for the pain of the joints. The second important herbal medicine is Madhusnuhi. This also is popularly used by the Ayurvedic people and by herbal people for the joint troubles. Yashad Bhasam. Yashad Bhasam is nothing but ash, Ayurvedic ash of zinc. The modern medical science recently had done research and they have found, and they are also using zinc sulfate in the as an antioxidant to tone up the immune system. As the allopathic doctor has pointed out, that is an autoimmune disease. So this Yashad Vasam helps to tone up the immune system. The another Bhasam that is of use in this arthritis problem is the Godanti Bhasam. Godanti. It is a type of, it's a compound of calcium which is assimilated by the body. Yashad Bhasam, Godanti Bhasam, these are used in large number of Ayurvedic preparations and herbal preparations. The allopathic people and the modern medical science, they are now frequently using zinc sulfate, selenium dioxide as antioxidants for toning up the immune system.
It is believed that allopathy is very good for an immediate relief in this problem. But how does holistic medicine and yoga help on a long range to overcome this problem?
So what it boils down to is that allopathy can give some immediate relief to the arthritic patients by way of an injection. Suppose your knee is paining, give an injection at the near the joint and your pain will disappear. You will have some relief and you will be able to move about. But as further degeneration and deterioration of the joints take place, probably that injection also does not give any relief to the patient. For a long term and a permanent treatment, ultimately the patients turn over to herbal medicines, Ayurvedic medicines and homeopathic medicines.
We will now listen to our nutritionist who will give us a few tips on diet.
కీళ్ళనొప్పి గలవారు తీసుకోవలసిన ఆహారము నందు తాజా పండ్లు, తాజా కూరగాయలు, ఆకుకూరలు ముఖ్యముగా తీసుకోవలను. క్యాబేజ్, క్యారెట్, దోసకాయ, ఉల్లిగడ్డ, ముల్లంగి, టమాటాలు, బీట్రూట్, కాలీఫ్లవర్ తప్పక తీసుకోవలను. ఆకుకూర రసమును క్యారెట్ బీట్ రూట్ రసంతో కలిపి తయారు చేసిన మిశ్రమము కీళ్ళనొప్పి గలవారికి విశేషముగా మేలు చేయును. తాజా పైనాపిల్ రసము నందు వాపును తగ్గించు ఒక ఎంజైమ్ కలదు. ఇందువలన పైనాపిల్ చాలా మంచిది. 2 నెలలకి ఒక్కసారి ఒక్క ఫల రసములు మాత్రము తీసుకొని ఉపవాసము ఉండవలేను. వెల్లుల్లి బాగా మేలు చేయును. చేప నూనె, చేపలు ఈ వ్యాధికు విశేష లాభదాయకం. పొట్టు తీయని గోధుమ పిండితో చేయబడిన చపాతీలు మంచిది. క్రొవ్వు తీయబడిన పాలు లాభదాయకం. రాగి చెంబు యందు నీరు తాగుట వారికి అత్యంత ఆరోగ్యదాయకం. నిమ్మకాయ పొట్టులో యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ను తొలగించును. ఇది వ్యాధికి ముఖ్య కారణము. ఎర్ర మాంసము, మద్యపానము, సిగరెట్, టీ, కాఫీ, సాఫ్ట్ డ్రింక్, వెన్న, తెల్ల ఆట అనగా మేద, దాని సంబంధిత పదార్థములు తీసుకోనరాదు. ఎక్కువ లవణం, నూనె, తీపి ఉన్న పదార్థములు తీసుకోనరాదు. వండిన ఆహారము తక్కువగా తీసుకోనవలెను. ప్రకృతి సిద్ధమైన ఆహారము, పండ్లు, కూరగాయలు వగైరా ఎక్కువగా తీసుకోనవలెను.
But yoga sadhaks will now demonstrate for you the various asanas that are useful in this problem.
Butterfly Kriya or Titli Asana is an exercise which is good for the toning up of the foot, ankle, knee joints and the hip joints. Chakrasana is good for toning up of the glandular system and the vertebrae of the spinal column. When all the hormone secretions are proper, improvements automatically result in all your joints. Sukshma Vyayam is an exercise for toning up of your finger joints, the wrist joints and the gouty conditions of the hands and the fingers. Neck exercise for the cervical spondylosis. This exercise is meant for the joints of your neck. Forward movements, sideways and rotational movements of the neck help to overcome the conditions of cervical spondylosis in your neck.
మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం వచ్చే వారం సేమ్ డే సేమ్ టైం మరియు మీతో చర్చించుకుందాము మరియు ఒక హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లం. నేను మా అందరి దర్శకులకి ఆరోగ్యవంతమైన జీవితము కోరుకుంటాను. నమస్కారం.